Has it ever happened to you that when you see your videos after recording, they look amazing, or the photos you've taken look excellent, and then when you upload everything to Instagram, everything looks horrible? Well, this happened to many people, so you're not alone, and in this video, I'm going to teach you some tricks that perhaps you didn't know, and that could help you a lot to avoid this problem. I will also give you the export settings that I use for my Reels. For me, Instagram is a platform where I can show my photos, and I always try to publish the ones that I like the most. I try to publish the photos that have the best quality. I personally edit my photos on my computer. I try not to use the phone. I try to take photos also as much as I can with my camera and not with my phone, although lately I've been posting photos only taken with the phone and nobody has noticed. But well, let's start with tip number one that maybe you didn't know, and that is to activate the high quality uploads. You just have to come to your page by clicking on your icon below, then click here on the little hamburger menu. Then you come to the button where it says data usage and media quality, and here you can see upload at highest quality. I have no idea why when you install Instagram by default this is not checked. And if we read here, it says always upload the highest quality. When this tab is not selected, it will upload the images adapting to the conditions of your internet. So if you have an intermittent internet or your internet is bad, the photos will be uploaded with horrible quality. I will never understand why Instagram doesn't have this tab selected all the time. But well, now you know. This is the way to ensure the best quality of both photos and Reels. Another tip is to never use Instagram as an editing software, because it is not. When you upload a video to edit your Reels on Instagram, of course, Instagram compresses your video to edit it, and you end up with a video with another quality. Don't even add text or animations or emojis, because Instagram is going to compress your video even more, and that kills the quality of what you did. The solution is to edit your video in an editing program, and there you will put the text and whatever you want. Once you have everything ready, just then you can upload the reel to Instagram. And by the way, this also goes for photos. When you upload photos to Instagram and you add titles and filters and stickers and emojis, Instagram will lower the quality of your photo, so better edit them separately. I know sometimes these stickers and texts that generate interaction with your audience help a lot to attract new audiences. But if you want to give priority to the quality of your posts, then you know what to do. Before we go to the export settings for your videos, I want to tell you that I am a teacher of a platform called Skillshare. For sure many of you already know it. Well, I have news. I have been in conversations with them and they have given me a link to give you a free month. There are thousands of courses for you to get better as photographers, videographers, whatever you want. There are even drawing courses. I have several courses on this platform that you can watch as well. My friends, you don't lose anything because it's 1 month for free and you can watch all the courses that you want. Then if you like it and you want it, like I know it's gonna happen, you have an annual subscription at the best price on the market. You will forget about buying online courses. Here you pay once and then you have access to all the courses. So I will leave you the link in the description. The first link will be the month for free on Skillshare. And you can actually see all my courses and give me a good review, eh? You look for Mario Guimarães, that's me, and then follow me and then you watch all my courses, okay? You will be able to watch all of them. I mean, 1 month is more than enough. You can watch many more courses. I really recommend Skillshare because I'm always studying, and I will recommend you to keep studying because you get better and better. And now you have 1 month for free. Well, now let's talk about the export settings that I use for my Reels. I always record in the highest quality possible. In this case, this reel is recorded at 4K resolution. I already finished it, added the subtitles, text, animations, and everything. So I'm ready to export. Now, the fact that it is at the highest quality doesn't mean that I'm going to export it at the same quality. The idea here is to do as much as possible so that Instagram is not gonna touch our video. And if we see the quality that Instagram supports, it's 1080 by 1920. That is full HD. If you record in 4K and upload your video like this, Instagram will take your 4K video and compress it to make it full HD. And we don't want Instagram to touch our video. So we're going to export it in full HD, 1080 by 1920. Since the quality of the video is 4K, the quality won't be lost at all, so don't worry. Now, I always export in MP4, and here in the bitrate, I have tried several options and I realized that 15 is the best. The best that Instagram can accept, because I put 16 and more in many occasions and really I don't see much of a difference, so 15 is gonna be fine. Besides, it also helps for the file size, because look, if I put 30 here, the file is gonna change a lot and we don't need that. So 15 is gonna be fine. Another thing is that if you have time, you come here, instead of 1 pass, give it 2 passes. The video is gonna come with a better quality. It is not a big difference, but if you have time, let's do it, you know? Better is always better. I actually always give it 2 passes. And now it's time, you just export the video and upload it to Instagram. By the way, to upload my photos and reels, I always use the Facebook business page. Actually, it allows you to schedule them, so you can schedule the entire month for both reels and photos. And you can even publish on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. It helps me a lot. So if you would like to use it the same as I do, I will leave you the link in the description below. So guys, if you have any extra tips to share, leave them in the comments so that we can help each other. And now, until next week.
So I'll just wake up and get dressed in the clothes that I want.